Alright guys, so now the time is like 4 o'clock now. We got our bikes. We got about 4 bikes now. So that is one of the reasons why I couldn't vlog, because riding and vlogging, I don't take a risk, especially in Bali, because the roads are freaking dangerous. So after we got the bike, we went to Renaissance Hotel, got our admission pass, our wristband for the DWP. Yes, DWP. So we got this, and then now the gang is heading to Uluwatu for lunch now. Till then, I'm going to take a nap, and I'm just gonna rest for a while lah.
A few moments later.
But we should get it checked though.
Then what happened, Dominic?
Can you
learning how to ride a bike?
Can you ask your friend to buy some medication?
Holy shit!
He's busy vlogging.
How arm?
Wait, can you ask him to buy like thing or something?
Holy shit, Dominic.
But I bought an alternative.
Dumb.
Could work.
It
feels deep also. Like,
That's what she said.
like this part is numb already.
Tell me exactly what happened.
So right, Tinta was standing at the end of the road.
Oh, don't put the blame on me, ah!
No, like he was standing at the end of the road. Then he was like, oh, come lah. So I was very far behind. So I thought, okay lah, fuck it lah. I'll just rev up and then you know, because I already practiced early on, and I knew I could like rev up and then go and like, you know, what's up? So when I went up, I went through like trash and sand, and I thought that wouldn't be a problem. But then my back started wobbling, so I braked. But at the same time, when I braked, I forgot to let go of the accelerator. So the thing just kind of, and then I was like, oh fuck. So I let it go, but I was already on the floor lah.
Alright, so the time is like around like 11:45 and everybody's jumping in the pool right now. Literally everybody. We invited like a bunch of people around. So we got like Brandon over here. Where are you? We got Brandon there, and everybody's just going inside the pool at it.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so guys, other than Dominic, Nabil fucked up big time. See his face. Nabil fucked up big time. Okay, can you see your face now?
Oh, fuck!
Yeah, okay. Time is around like 2 something. So now we're going to the clinic to take Dominic and Nabil to the clinic. So, what? Okay, where are we right now?
We are at a place where they fix people.
People like me, people like you,
Alright, so we just got to, what beach is this? Gena Naked Beach. So as you can see, this is the entrance. So the beach looks very nice. I'm going to cue B-roll now before we enter, before we eat lah. Alright, so before we go to Ubud, we made a stop. This is a famous waterfall at Tengonan village waterfall. So we're gonna go down there, take more footages, shit like that. Yeah, so finally we are down here, waterfall.
So, how does it feel to be incapacitated as I am? Almost.
Well, yeah, now it's better, thankfully, but still no water for us both.
So
yeah.
As we arrived, right, they gave this sign. It said that you couldn't swim because due to bad weather. But like, you know, if I didn't have this freaking bandage on, right, I would freaking do it. I would honestly freaking do it.
I know. It's
fuck
just us
this shit.
that cannot go deep into the water. So, just gonna be
Let's try to go as close as possible.
as close as possible.
Yeah.
That's right.
But like, it's covered in like rocks everywhere. Just rock.
I'm gonna keep B-roll now, like it's time for some B-roll. So. Alright, so now we just got done with the waterfall. Now we are in this sort of like a paddy field kind of area to have our lunch, dinner, breakfast, every single thing. So yeah. Okay, so there weren't any vegetarian option in the other place. So Toyota and I came to this place called Bali Buddha. So the local tourists go here. It's very nice vegetarian. So okay, but then I found this thing. Take what you need. I need love. Hey,
Hey, you talk the whole thing.
I need love. I need love. Food has arrived. Food, burger. Right, so we just got done with dinner. Now we're going back to the first place where we're supposed to have dinner. At the paddy field to meet the guys, and then after that, we're going to head home. After you call it a day.